How to boost your GMAT or GRE score. Tips and tricks. Hello, future graduate students. If you're watching this, it's likely you've already taken the GMAT or GRE at least once. And now, you might be considering retaking the test to improve your score. Today, we'll dive into effective study strategies and resources that can help you achieve that boost. Your dream graduate school might just be one better score away. Before diving into how to improve, it's crucial to determine whether you really need to retake the test. Evaluate your initial score. Was it close to your target? Sometimes, the best course of action might be to focus on other parts of your application. Consider school averages. Look at the average scores of the schools you're interested in. If you're close to or above that, retaking might not be necessary. Analyze your prep. Think about your previous preparation. Did you give it your best? If not, there's potential for improvement. The key to improving is knowing where you need improvement. Review your test report. Both the GMAT and GRE provide detailed score reports. Use these to identify areas of weakness. Mock tests. Regularly take these to monitor your progress. It's essential to simulate actual test conditions. Seek feedback. Discuss your results with peers, tutors, or mentors. They might provide insights you missed. Tailoring a study plan to your needs is vital. Set a schedule. Consistency is the key. Allocate specific days, times for study sessions and stick to them. Focus on weak areas. While it's tempting to study topics you're already good at, prioritize areas of weakness. Practice with real questions. Official guidebooks provide real past questions, ensuring you're familiar with the format and difficulty. Thankfully, there are plenty of resources available for both exams. Official guides. These are published by the test makers. They offer an accurate representation of the test and its difficulty. Study groups. Studying with peers can provide motivation, alternate explanations, and shared resources. Online forums. Places like GMAT Club or GRE Prep Club are full of advice, strategies, and questions from other test takers. Lastly, your mindset matters as much as your knowledge. Stay positive. Believe in your ability to improve. Practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques. This can help reduce test anxiety. Rest before the test. Make sure you're well rested and hydrated on test day. Avoid cramming the night before. Improving your GMAT or GRE score is a mix of the right strategy, resources, and mindset. Remember, it's not